Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. We have a risk for isolated dry thunderstorms today that encompasses much of Washington State and a tiny bit of far northwestern Idaho. Dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without any precipitation because the air is so dry that precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. So you're just left with thunder and lightning at that point. So as a result of that, again, it can cause dry lightning strikes can cause a fire to develop and spread quickly. So, if you get a lightning strike from a dry thunderstorm, guess what? You have a higher chance of getting a fire to start. So just be aware of that. So in summary, the latest high-resolution ensemble guidance has trended a little bit more favorable regarding lightning potential across the Washington Cascades today and tonight. While a few lightning flashes are possible during the day, as seen in recent observational lightning data, relatively greater chances, 10 to 20%, are expected late this evening through the overnight hours as upper-level energy overspreads the area. Nocturnal isolated dry thunderstorms are possible due to the warm and dry subcloud layers and increasingly receptive fuels based on the latest fuel guidance. Breezy, erratic thunderstorm outflow winds will also be possible nearby any thunderstorms due to steep low-level lapse rates. So that is your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. So anyway, stay safe today in the affected areas. And also, be prepared to evacuate on a moment's notice, okay? Be prepared to evacuate on a moment's notice. And if I were you, I would gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries, cell phone chargers, and the battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because any fire that starts can spread quickly without much notice. So that's why you want to gather the supplies now. So in the event that you need to evacuate, on a moment's notice. So also, please avoid outdoor burning today. Please avoid outdoor burning. Additionally, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, whether or not they're lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, it can cause a fire, and the fire can spread quickly. And also before you throw your cigarette out, do not. Just make sure before you throw your cigarette out, make sure it's not lit. Okay. Otherwise, the trash can could catch fire, and that could spread quickly, too. So, stay safe in those areas, and we're going to see what happens with the Day 2 Fire Weather Outlook. Because Day 2 still shows no areas. But if I do have my Fire Weather Outlook video, it's not going to be till tonight. But if there's no areas with the afternoon update for Day 2, then I'm not going to have a Day 2 Fire Weather Outlook. Take care.